New, from AmazTech, Amazon Princess Hood Protector.
Today's roads are war zones. The AmazTech Wonder Woman Hood Protector is powered by advanced AI sensors. Any rocks, pebbles, metal chunks or any road debris that might chip or harm your hood will be swatted away by the power of the gods bestowed on the Amazon Princess's bracelets.
Warning, AmazTech is not responsible for road debris larger than Buick. Power of the gods may vary by zip code. Amazon Princess not included with standard road trim levels. No official DC endorsement implied, naturally.
Happy days, brand new car. Sad days, big paint chip in the hood. So, a hood protector. Now, I was tempted to use duct tape, but that would look tacky. So I ordered it from WeatherTech. But look at how the box arrived. But anyway, everything inside seemed to be okay. Stop. Read the instruction sheet. Excuse me? Scan the code for the instruction sheet. Now, I added the blue painter's tape, which they suggest. They send you get 2 alcohol pads and a surface prep pad. Then I've got a microfiber cloth and a cleaner and a temperature gauge because you want your hood to be about 70 to 75 degrees before you would try attaching the protector. Here I am pre-cleaning the hood. It doesn't hurt. Now they want you to pre-position the protector. Would it be helpful if it was 2 people? Sure. But there's enough curves and little shallow V's that it really lining it up is pretty easy. I used the masking tape to hold it in place while I outlined it with the blue painter's tape. Now, why the blue painter's tape, you ask? And again, WeatherTech is giving you this step when you watch their video. Well, you use it so you know only where to clean. Now, this is the alcohol pads that they provide. They give you 2 of them. And you're just getting rid of the last little bit of any residue, any oil, any dust, anything that might interfere with the surface prep pad. Guess I'm being very thorough if you couldn't tell. Okay, now you use the surface prep pad. And this is the real reason for the blue painter's tape. You do not want the caustic material on that pad to be anywhere on your hood except where it's going to be covered by the hood protector. Speaking of protecting things, okay, now this is the crucial step. You turn it upside down and you peel off the red tape, the protective tape, about a couple of inches, and then you place it on your hood. Notice the blue painter's tape is not there. You press down with one hand while you pull with the other. That sound you hear is the tape, not me. Some people. And then you press down. You want to make sure that the tape on the protector is sticking to the hood. And this guy, Andy, is not helping. He's just standing there. What? Get out of the way. There we go. So anyway, the tape really does pull off easy. I was a little daunted by this process. I had visions of it going horribly wrong, but it did not. It went rather well, I thought, especially for just one person. And you will note that the shipping protective film with the little warning labels is still in place. They never really tell you when to take that off. However, common sense kind of dictated that I wait a day. Well, and Cassie told me to wait a day. And you want to wait another 24 hours before you wash the car or get the hood wet or get the protector wet. You want to make sure that that adhesive properly cures. And it really does just peel right off. So there we are, all done. Looks sharp. The black looks good on the white car. Oh, and the black looks good on Moon. So here it is, all done, protective, and what a classy act. Now my hood is protected from every... No, not that!